Hey everyone, and welcome back to another 2 Minute Tuesday where I try and beat the clock and show you something that, well, maybe you haven't seen before within Veeam backup replication. And today we're going to be focusing on backup IO control and some of the benefits that that can give us. So let's start the clock. Let's go. So first of all, we're in our Veeam backup replication console, our management server. And if we go up here to general options, so hit that top tab, general options, and the first tab is IO control. Now what this is going to do is enable some sort of latency control over your production vSphere data stores. So one thing to mention here is that this is applicable to any data store, providing it's not vSAN and not vVols. So let's get into it. So there are some caveats here around licensing. I'm just going to show you what the top tier license will allow you to do and get more granular into what the data stores can be. So out of the box, we can say we want to stop assigning new tasks to a data store at 20 milliseconds, but we've then got another ceiling. So think about this as two ceilings. Stop assigning new tasks if we hit this 20 milliseconds of latency, throttle it back of existing tasks if we hit 30 milliseconds. But if we have the correct license, now we can go in and we can start to actually pinpoint those specific data stores. So as I mentioned, I've got a vSAN data store here. We can't use that, it won't work. You could add it in, it just won't do anything. But I've got three iSCSI LUNs that are presented to my cluster, and this is where we can get granular. Think about this as a gold, silver, bronze type approach. So we can come in here and we can say, okay, I don't want you to assign anything more if that gets to above 5 and maybe 10. Key part here is that obviously stop assigning, the stop latency has to be lower than the throttle latency. And then we can go in here and we can go to maybe a 15 and 20. And all of this, if this is labeled as your gold, silver, bronze type approach, then this is going to take effect pretty much straight away as soon as we hit. And then let's leave that one as 20 and 30. And what that's going to do is that it's going to manage those backups in accordingly so that we're not encroached on anything production wise. Let's see if I made it. Cheers guys, I'll see you on the next one.